Hi, Kurumi here. Today's recipe is fried chicken with spring onions and lemon. Start by finely slicing 2 large spring onions. Then mince. Finely mince a clove of garlic. Add the garlic to the spring onions. Next, squeeze the juice from half a lemon. Add the lemon juice to the spring onions. Add half a teaspoon of Japanese stock granules, half a teaspoon of salt, and a generous dash of black pepper. Then add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix together well and set aside. Season 2 chicken breasts with black pepper and salt. Turn over the chicken. Season again with salt and pepper. Then coat with plain flour. On both sides. Make sure the chicken is evenly coated with flour. Heat the vegetable oil in a hot pan. Spread the oil around the pan. Fry the chicken over medium heat for 5 minutes with the lid on. When the chicken has browned, turn the breast over. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Replace the lid and cook for a further 4 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of water if the pan dries out and cook for 1 to 2 minutes more. These are now ready. You can cut the breast into slices if you prefer. Heap some salad leaves onto your serving plates. Add your sliced fried chicken breasts. A few baby tomatoes. And spoon over the spring onion and lemon. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.